Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the GoldFish Scalper EA, which is an expert advisor developed by Wesley for MT5. Looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page, the current version is 4.0, updated on September 29th, 2025, and it is available for purchase at $38.50. Starting with the product overview, GoldFish Scalper is designed specifically for XAUUSD, and the developer describes it as a breakout-based trading system. According to the information provided, the EA scans recent price action, uses VWAP confirmation, and places pending orders outside of recent price ranges. One thing the developer highlights is that the system does not use a recovery system or martingale approach, focusing instead on what they describe as clean and structured trade execution. As I scroll through the page, the setup process appears intentionally simple. The developer states that the default settings are ready to use, particularly for a 3-digit broker environment. And the main optimization focus is on the bar input parameter and the VWAP bar setting if VWAP confirmation is being used. Another feature worth noting is the built-in reset logic. According to the description, if price does not break out within 24 hours, the EA resets the setup and waits for a new opportunity. There is also a stop loss applied to every trade, along with a small information panel that displays important trading details directly on the chart. Now, for traders looking at the recommended setup, the developer mentions testing with a $50 balance and 1:500 leverage, while also emphasizing the importance of understanding trading risks and testing before going live. Moving into the backtesting section, the primary symbol discussed by the developer is XAUUSD. As we review the historical testing results and chart activity, we'll be able to observe how the EA identifies breakout opportunities, well, to an extent. But for now, let's just briefly look at the images that we have here, the information provided. Okay, this is just showing how to backtest. Okay, now this shows us the backtest results, and we can see tested by every tick based on real tick. M5 from 1st January 2025 to 16th August 2025. So, well, about 7.5 months. And we can see that total net profit was $539.38. Initial deposit $200. And we can see that the profit factor is 1.23 out of the total trades 802. 412 were profitable, giving us 51.37% win rate. All right, we can see that the largest profit was 13.75, largest loss 10.19, average profit 7.08, average loss 6.1. So that tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is just a little bit above 1:1. Let's head over to our strategy tester to see how the EA performed over the past 5 months. So we are testing the GoldFish Scalper on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame, and we're testing it from the beginning of 2026 till date. And as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and the every tick modeling is what we're using. Looking at the results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was 569.31. The total trades taken were 151. Short trades, we are 70 with a 67.14% win rate. Long trades, we are 81 with a 55.56% win rate. And out of 151 trades, 92 we are profitable. So that gave us a win rate of 60.93%. And the largest profit was 107.36. The largest loss was 100.74. Average profit was 45.14. Average loss was 60.74. Okay. And there we are. Maximum consecutive wins were 13, and the maximum consecutive losses were 4. Right? That's quite fair. Then when we are looking at the drawdown now, the balance drawdown maximal was 0.77%, and the equity drawdown maximal was 0.8%. Okay, that's quite impressive. Okay, so looking at the completed historical analysis, the entries appear to be centered around breakout conditions rather than mean reversion or recovery style trading. All right. As we review the historical testing results and the chart activity, we can observe how the EA identifies breakout opportunities around recent highs and lows while incorporating VWAP confirmation as part of the decision-making process described on the product page. All right. With respect to the information that we had access to on the product description on the MQL5 page. So the reset mechanism described by the developer may also help explain periods where setups are abandoned and replaced with newer opportunities when price fails to trigger a breakout within the specified time frame. All right. So when evaluating these historical backtest results, it is important to remember that past performance does not guarantee future outcomes. Historical testing performance can vary significantly depending on broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, account size, leverage, optimization choices, and overall market conditions. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself across different periods of gold market activity so you can build a broader understanding of how the EA behaves under varying conditions. So overall, the GoldFish Scalper EA presents a relatively straightforward MT5 trading system focused on XAUUSD breakout opportunities with VWAP confirmation, pending order execution, built-in stop losses, and automatic setup resets. As always, take time to test, optimize, and evaluate the system thoroughly on a demo account before considering live trading. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.